Alright, man, PullsTv back with another one, man. Alright, so finally the time to reveal this old motor. Finally the time to reveal the motor for Foxy, man. We headed out here where the motor at. Finna finally show y'all what it is. Finna finally show y'all what it is. And we finna talk about the plans and we finna start I say somewhat taking it apart to try to inspect the block, let y'all know where I got it from, how much I paid for it and all that, man. So all that coming up, man. But let me get in here, get these doors open and stuff, man. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, man, we are inside. First thing I gotta do is get my engine stand, take the motor off of this engine horse. The motor's still on that engine horse right there. Take the motor off, and I'm gonna put it on this engine stand right here, man. So that's first. Once I do that, we'll reveal it and tell y'all what it is and what the plans is. So y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm finna get that swapped over. Alright, man, check it back in. I was trying to get it on my engine stand, man, but the bolts that came out of there. So when I stick that bad boy through this thing, I don't have enough to go all the way through. So when I stick this through, the bolt, bell housing bolt through, it ain't long enough for the what's the name. So we just gonna reveal the motor just like it is. Y'all stay tuned. All right, man, here it is. Here it is. Finally. Give y'all a second to take a guess what it is. Give y'all a real good view of it. It's good and rusty. But I got it from my granddad, and he basically just gave it to me. It came out of a Lincoln, like an 87, 86 Lincoln. How I knew it was a Mustang motor was it had that big intake on it, and it had this cover on it. So that's how that looks on the motor. And so I'm gonna get some bolts and we're gonna put it on the engine stand, and then we're gonna start to break it down. I was gonna start to break it down in this video, but I don't want to do it on here because every time I try to do something, it'll be moving. See y'all how that moves? See, it'll be moving everywhere. So anyway, it's a 302, pretty much bone stock 302 for now. I'm not sure if I want to make this thing 306, 310. I think you can make a 310. I think a 331, 347. And there may be some other little numbers in there that I don't know about, because like I said, I'm a Chevy man, y'all know that. But my cousin Ramondale Steven broke my distributor cap, so he's gonna have to buy me another one. But anyway, man, distributor cap, everything The motor hadn't ran in some years, man, but when I rotated it by hand with the ratchet, it rotated over pretty good, still had good compression from what I could feel. But that's gonna be the whole point of us breaking this thing down, getting to the inside of it, going to the machine shop, all that. More than likely it's going 331. I think that's where I'm going, 331. So let's just call it the 331 build. Let's just call it that. AC compressor still on here. I don't know if that works. I don't even know what that is down there. That's probably power steering, I would guess. I don't know. I don't know nothing about these old Fords, man. But yeah, man, when I rotated it up, oh, no, this power steering over here. Alternator. I don't know what that is down there, man. Y'all tell me what that is right there. What is that? If anybody knows what this is, let me get y'all a better look at it. If anybody knows what this is down here at the bottom of this motor, please be a help. But the motor was sitting out on the ground, covered up, and yeah, man, I asked my granddad. I said, "Hey, man, what you gonna do with that motor out there?" And for some reason, he thought because it came out of that Buick, or not Buick, but Lincoln, that big Lincoln. Y'all know if you know what year Lincoln I'm talking about, the big long Lincolns like the 87, 86. If you don't know what I'm talking about, Google it and look how long they are. And he was thinking it was some big old motor, you know, that it was too big for my Mustang. And I'm like, man, that's just a 5.0. Like, that's actually, I would actually say that motor was too small for the Lincoln, actually. But anyway, man, the car got hit by a tornado. Tornado came through and wiped everything out. Told my granddad the house up. He had a Silverado truck, messed that up. He had a Cadillac, messed the Cadillac up. This car, I think trees and stuff fell out on it. So he pulled the motor out, and the transmission is also over there, the AOD. If anybody's interested, let me know. I'm gonna get it out. I'm not gonna clean it up because I want you to see, you know, what you got when you get it. So I'm not gonna clean it up. I'm gonna just take pictures of it and just put it up. So anyway, man, I know some of y'all might be surprised that a Chevy man is gonna actually put a Ford in a Ford, but don't clap too soon because this is just a first build. This is just a first build. So I can probably about promise you this build won't be the last build that goes in this car. If I hang on to the car, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, it's probably gonna end up Chevy, you know, probably LS supercharged. That's probably gonna be the end result. So, but for now, we gonna stick with where we at. This probably gonna be a 331. And I know they said these blocks ain't good for but 500 horses, but I'm gonna probably still hit it with a little bit of nitrous. I may hit it with 50 shots, 75, probably no more than 100 shots. I know it probably gonna, you know, it probably gonna split the block down the middle. But if anybody got any 331 parts, 331 crank, any intake, Holly systematic intake, AFR, heads, any headers for a Fox body, distributors, intakes, up and lower intake, or if you just got the upper or the lower, then comment below, let me know. But yeah, this is part 3 of this build, and this part was supposed to be me actually showing y'all, you know, starting to break it down, etc., etc. But since my boats didn't work, I got to call my cousin to see what I got to do about boats, because he done dealt with these motors and these engine stands, so I know he pretty much know what to do. But anyway, man, Project 331 is underway. Y'all stay tuned. It shouldn't take me too long, but hey, I am just a working class regular dude, so I ain't necessarily got that YouTube money rolling in yet like some of these bigger guys, like the great J. Malcolm and some of them guys, man. Them guys be rolling them cars out because they got that money rolling in. I ain't got it like that yet, so y'all gonna have to be just a little bit of patient with me, but we gonna get this thing started. Please like the video. Please hit that thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe. and all that, man. Y'all hold on, I'm gonna turn y'all around and close y'all out. All right, man, appreciate everybody that done tuned in. Pretty sure y'all surprised that I got a Ford motor to go in Foxy, but Foxy going 331. And actually, this is another project that I plan on going upside my cousin Ramondez Stevens' head. So he gonna get jumped on by Iron Man. He gonna get jumped on by this right here beside me, and he gonna get jumped on by Foxy, man. So he gonna have to deal with the whole fleet. So he better. All I can tell him, he better be ready. He gonna get fastest to slowest. He gonna get slowest to fastest. And he probably ain't gonna get by the slowest thing, so I ain't too worried about him racing anything else. But anyway, man, appreciate y'all for tuning in. Like I said, man, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell. We dropping every Wednesday and Friday, man, at 1:30, I think. Somewhere along in there, but you hit the bell, they gonna tell you, so you ain't gotta worry about it. But anyway, man, PullsTv, gone.